There are 4 things that I want to do before I start my day. First of all, I want to go to the gym. After that, I want to get some breakfast. Then I want to have some coffee. And finally, read some news. One of these I can automate pretty much completely. And that's reading the news. Because today, basically, I'm just going onto random websites, trying to get a gist of, okay, what is going on the market. So let's try to make it a little bit more concrete and structured of how can I be satisfied of reading the news in the morning. For me, it would be basically to see the headlines of a few different markets, and that's it. If there's some headlines that are more interesting, then I can go onto the website and actually read the full article. So basically this sounds like a web scraping thing. So we just run a Python script, get a few websites articles. Great, so let's put that into some Python code. Automator will help us to schedule this Python script to run each morning at 6 a.m. and then we have it ready for when we're just having our coffee in our hand to read the news. So let's automate this in Automator. So now each morning at 6 a.m. I have a text file ready for me with the headline so I can enjoy with my coffee. That's pretty much it for this one, so I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.